This is a really quick demo of adding BohoAuth to a Next.js app. BohoAuth is a perfect way to password protect simple pages and routes in a Next.js app. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and click Docs. I'm going to install BohoAuth. I'm going to use pnpm to add it in. It looks like it installed. And then we're going to add this configuration file in the library folder of our Next.js app. We're going to call it boho.ts. As you can see, we need to set and point to where we have our password. We're going to do an environment variable called boho password, and then the secret is going to be an environment variable called boho secret. Expires in is how long it will take before the JWT expires. The default is 1 hour. Middleware is configuring all of the redirects. So we're setting the login path to login. If the user goes to a protected page and is not logged in, it'll redirect them to this page. We can pass in an array of routes to protect. And then redirect path just means that if someone goes to the login page and they're already authenticated, then it will just redirect them to this page. So let's go ahead and go to env, and we'll add boho password and then boho secret. Boho secret. We're going to generate one on the command line using OpenSSL, and this will be what BohoAuth uses to sign the JSON web tokens, and password is just whatever we want. So I'm going to just call it password. Great. And then next thing in the docs is we're going to create a login route handler. So we're just going to call this and locate it in API/login in our Next.js app. So we'll create that. And then we'll paste that. We're just importing the config from the file we just created. And then we are going to do the same thing for our middleware. Perfect. And then all we need to do now is just add a form. And then when submits, we'll just submit it to the API/login route. So let's create a login page. And then I'm just going to get cursor to generate a form for me. It's pretty good. We'll keep it. And then what we need to do is create a page that has protected content. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and run this. Hello world. Let's try to go to the protected page. We're going to get redirected to the login. We're going to type in our password, which is just password. We submitted it. And then now we try to go to protected page, and it lets us. And if we go to /login, it just redirects us to the protected page. And then if we clear our cookies, actually, let me just show the cookie to you. The cookie is our signed JSON web token that's secure. And then what we can do is clear cookies and refresh. And then once it refreshed, you can see that it took us back to the login page. And that's it. That is the demo of BohoAuth. It's now publicly available. BohoAuth.com has the docs, stuff about contributing, things like that. Also has a demo, and it's also on the NPM registry.